name is Harshita Goswami from Physics Wala. So I would like to introduce SK sir from Stanford Group of Schools. So sir, how did you like the event?
See, event is amazing, and fortunately, I was the speaker in the first panel itself. And I've seen, I think the hall is completely full.
Yes sir.
More than 200 educators across from the country have attended this event. So these kind of events are very, very necessary at this point of time, because National Education Policy 2020 we have to implement in our schools. One thing. Second thing, we have to prepare our children for their career possibilities after 15, 20, 25 years. So these type of out of these type of conferences, all the educators discuss many new things, many new ideas, and we everybody implement in their own schools.
अगर मैं फिज़िक्स वाले की ही बात करूँ तो बात ये आई कि हम सिर्फ जो है टायर 1 सिटीज़ नहीं या एलीट स्कूल्स ही नहीं, टायर 3 सिटीज़ या विलेज रूरल एरियाज़ में भी अपनी प्रोडक्ट को पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, फिज़िक्स को पहुंचाना चाहते हैं। अगर विज्ञान द्वार द्वार पहुंचेगा तभी जो है हर बच्चे को इसका लाभ मिल सकता है और एक अच्छे विकसित देश की जो कल्पना की जा सकती है वो विज्ञान के बिना तो सोची भी नहीं जा सकती।
Yes. हाँ जी
तो
सर.
फिजिक्स विज्ञान का एक मूलभूत आधार है। तो आप जो ये गांव-गांव पहुंचाने का आपकी बात मुझे सुनने को मिली तो मुझे अच्छा लगा।
Oh, in fact, I would like to say such events are always welcoming. Here we get an opportunity to meet so many educators, learn from each other, and share. And another thing is meet people like you all who are actually educators but working behind the screen. So it's always a wonderful and a learning experience.
The event is, yes, amazing. So we really take away many good things with us, which tells us about how we can actually bring our school up among all the best schools. So this is the thing why I am here today.
Yeah, it was a great event. I think a full house, and the panel was extremely nice. And the topic of the day was important, that India of 2047. What kind of jobs will be available, and how do we prepare children for those jobs?
The best part is that when we come for such events, we come to know about what new is there in the market, and specifically at this point of time, when we are planning for the entire academic session, what are the new things, what new technology we can take further. So in that terms, the event is good, very well planned and organized. And another thing that I really like, that they're not only people from Delhi, but all across Pan India.
And it's very important for all the educationists, and I found people coming from all over India, from Kashmir. I'm from Maharashtra. There are many people from West Bengal, Gujarat. It's wonderful. I mean, it's a great opportunity to meet all the educators, Pan India.
So sir, did you get the chance to visit the PW stall here?
Yes, I visited the Physics Wala stall, and your friend here was telling me about the integrated programs that you are running. So kudos to Physics Wala for doing this, and India's first unicorn, first profitable company.
See, I visited in the morning, but I didn't stop there because my session was
About to
start. So I'll visit your stall. I have deep discussion with your people, and I would love to implement your program in my schools if it is aligned with my principle.
I've just come, and soon after that I had my panel discussion. I will definitely go there.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मैंने आपका स्टॉल भी विज़िट किया और पहले भी मैं आपके इस प्रोग्राम से टच में हूँ। तो आपका एक ये अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है कि फ़िज़िक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स एंड बायोलॉजी जो लोगों के लिए थोड़ा सा टिपिकल सब्जेक्ट होते थे, बहुत सारे लोग इस कोर्सेज में इसलिए नहीं जाते थे, एक उनका डर सा होता था। तो ये एक डर निकालने का भी काम करेगा और लोगों को इसमें और जो है प्रमोशन मिलेगी कि भी ये सब्जेक्ट भी लिए जा सकते हैं। तो आपके इस जो फिज़िक्स वाला जो रोल आप अदा कर रहे हैं, उसे चारों सब्जेक्टों को आसान तरीके से समझने में और इसमें लोगों को और इंटरेस्ट लेने में एक बहुत बड़ा रोल आपके द्वारा किया जाता है।
No, I haven't yet visited the store. I would be going. I said I'm going there very slowly, understanding every part of it, imbibing it, so that I could actually take it further and implement it properly.
Yes, I had been there, but I'll go once more.
Physics Wala. I have met 4 times to you all. So I like your program, so I just took the card. I will definitely meet you all as well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.